You're a pro at overcoming adversity, a pro at accomplishing your goals.
I heaven to dream upon the crown.
So why settle for anyone less than a pro with your prosthetic care? At Hanger Clinic, our professional team is committed to helping every patient reach their goals.
Okay, relax and out.
And to prove it, we've designed a state-of-the-art facility with real-time solutions in a real-world setting. At the Integrated Care Center, you'll be equipped with the right device, skills, and dedicated team to help you meet your goals with fast turnaround times. Come experience the Hanger Clinic difference. We've proudly put the pro in prosthetic care for more than 160 years.
Having a facility that encompasses all the needs of what you are physically trying to do with your body, I can't imagine that this would not be a destination location.
Learn more about the Integrated Care Center at hangerclinic.com/ICC.